Have you made your niyyah for fasting? When should have made the niyyah? Oh, the best way to make niyyah to fast should be made before Fajr for the obligatory fast. For the month of Ramadan, you must make the niyyah before Fajr and up to the mid-noon for the voluntary fast, any other day. So, and some ulama says that even you can make on the first day of Ramadan that, oh Allah, inshallah I'll be fasting the whole month of Ramadan. So you can make one niyyah also. So make the niyyah now.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi